Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Today I'll be going through the Gemini Jets December 2018 releases. Again, sorry, it's come to, not being able to produce videos. It's been difficult at this stage. Again, it's just personal life taking over, just having to deal with things, get things on the right track again, and hopefully things will work out. But anyway, let's get into this. I do hope to have some release videos up at some point soon. I need to sort out my microphone for my plane spotting because that is absolutely dead now. So I don't know how long that's going to take. Anyway, we'll start with 1 to 400. Now we have the American Airlines 757-200 in 203UW. Austrian Airlines 777-200ER OELPF. This is the 60th anniversary livery. Delta Airlines MD90 N904DA. There's no picture for this, but this is a new wooden stand Gemini jets are releasing for 1 to 400 scale, which is or simulated wooden stand. So it may not be actual wood based like we have for our models from Gemini jets. It could be metal with like a wooden look to it, like in-flight models have. But so I guess that's good for some collectors because they want to display them on a base that looks fairly good as well. Icelandair 737 MAX 8 TFICE ICE. KLM Cargo 747-400 Freighter PHCKA. Very cool aircraft. Pan Am L1011 N511PA. Philippines A321neo. RPC9930. And the last 400 model is the United 767-300ER in 767UA. Now we move to 1/200 scale. Some fairly good releases here. It's good to see Gemini jets being just giving a little more importance to 1/200 scale in recent months, and as you'll be able to tell with some later releases here. Alaska Airlines 737-700 in 614AS. Delta CRJ 200 in 430SW. Emirates A340-500. I am so happy. I've waited such a long time for this model. We've had, I believe, only the Singapore A340-500. I got two of those, two slightly different liveries from JC Wings, and I'm surprised it's taken Gemini jets so long to make one. And to make an Emirates one is so awesome. I want to see, of course, Azerbaijan? No, I think Arak here, Etihad, probably a couple of others. I just can't think of off the top of my head. But you know what I'm talking about. Just some of those. The A340-500 and the 600 are fantastic looking aircraft. Registration is A6ERE, so I'll definitely get that model. Silver Airways ATR 72 in 400 SV. Pretty neat livery right there. Southwest 737 MAX 8 in 8706W. I already have this model, so I don't need it. United 737-800 in 14237. That's a good looking model. United States Air Force E4B, the Doomsday plane. Registration is 731676. Then we move to the United States Air Force again, KC-135R Stratotanker. Alabama Air National Guard. Very cool aircraft. I would like one of these, but the one I've seen a couple of them. I've seen Hawaii Air National Guard, I think it was, and I saw Can't remember if it was from California or Florida. One in New Zealand. So I would like to get one, but I'd like to get one of one that I've seen. WestJet 737 MAX 8 CGZSG. Oh, by the way, that KC-135 registration is 80106. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, WestJet's new livery. I really like this new livery. Either one, the old one or this one, is fine, but I really do like this new one. And yeah, so that's going to be it. I actually haven't seen this one, even though I went to Toronto back in Toronto 3 months ago, exactly 3 months ago. So I didn't even see this, but it's probably only been painted recently anyway. Overall, I think this is a good release for both 1/400, 1/200 scale. I will just be getting the Emirates A340, because there isn't really anything else that interests me too much, and I do want to I'm going to cut back on my model purchases. I'm thinking towards the future, and like I'd said previously, I do kind of want to, I do need, not that I want to, but do kind of need to sell some, which I might do at some point, not right now, but just thinking about that. But anyway, I do hope you guys have enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment on which models you're going to get, what do you think of this release, subscribe for more, and share this video as well so other people can know about these models and see if they want to get any of them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.